Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download iOS 15 beta 6 developer. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. Tap download iOS 15 beta 6. Scroll down. Download beta profile. Scroll down. Tap install profile. Tap install anyways. Tap allow. Tap close. Then go back home screen. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap profile downloaded. Tap install. Again install. Tap not now. Tap done. Then go back. Tap software update. Checking for update. iOS 15 developer beta 6 is available. Thanks for watching this video.